Guys, Happy New Year. It's January 4th, directly from Austin, Texas. This is Cindy's Kitchen. Michael, say hi and Happy New Year to everyone.
Happy New Year, everyone.
I
Hello.
hope everyone have a great year with their family and friends. They ate a lot of food, drank a lot of great wine, and enjoy themselves. And for those who didn't, hey, there's another year coming up. Maybe it can be great for you too. But hey, with that, this morning I'm gonna be making some sausages. These are the ones that they sell at the supermarket. So these are like, this is just the brand. I like these because they're very, very good. So what I do is, I usually cook them. I want to show you something. This is one of my calderos, right? So this is just water that I put. I took them out and I put them in there. What I do is I just put a little bit of water and cook them fast and cut them in the middle. But what I'm going to do today is, I'm going to let this boil. I want to cook them slow. Okay? And then they're going to cook. And then when it's all dry, you'll see, because we're going to come back. And, so you can see it. So I'm going to let these, like, boil for, like, 5 minutes. Come and show, Michael. And you can see that's from, because it's on already. So they're starting to, like, to break up. They're going to go all white. But I need all that pork, because these are pork sausages, and they're sweet. Breakfast pork sausages. So what I'm going to do is, after they're dry completely, I am going to fry them. You can put them in the oven, but when you fry them, for some reason, the taste is better. I'm going to do that in olive oil, and extra virgin olive oil. I've been buying the little ones because they've gotten very expensive. You see? And this is just a supermarket brand, but it's organic, and it's extra virgin, so the better your oil, the better the flavor on the food is going to come out. Now, with that, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll be right back. I say like in what, Michael Lolo? Like 5 minutes?
5 minutes.
And where's the puppy? Puppies, come here, Ginger. Hold on a second, Mike. Let me get the lid. Oh, by the way, yeah. I use my dishwasher because that's something else. Well, you guys are looking at it. We wash all our dishes by hand. And because I don't have that much space here, I use the dishwasher. And I put all the lids of my pots and pans. You see the glass ones and the calderos. Just right in here, you see? They're all here, glass, no glass. Michael, come and show everyone. You see, and let me tell you, I've been living here. This is gonna be my 5th year coming now, and I have never, not one time, used that dishwasher. Have we, Michael?
Nope.
Or we haven't?
You don't need it.
So there's a lid right here. We're gonna come and see. Okay, so they're starting to boil. So you can see that brown thing. That's how they're gonna start to look. And then what I'm gonna do is, with my spatula here that I have here, I'm gonna skim all that fat as it boils to the corner, because it's gonna boil to the corner. You see, you like skim it out, and just
That's right.
skim it
That's
on your
fat right
sink
there.
Over, exactly. So we're gonna continue to do that. I'm gonna turn them around like in a couple of minutes, and we'll be right back. Love you, and thanks for watching. I'm gonna turn them, all of them, on the other side. So you see? Now they're gonna look all pale. I know, but they're like they always say. Sometimes something to look beautiful, everything goes through its ugly stages. So this is the ugliest stages of these sweet sausages, pork sweet sausages, breakfast sweet sausages. We'll be right back, guys. So you see, they're almost dry. So more or less, you see, you can see the fire there. You see. So what I'm sorry, I always do that. I say you see all the time. But that's the way that I talk, and I've been watching my own videos. And it doesn't sound too good, right? When I do that. I do that a lot.
No, that's not true, Mom.
You see.
I love it.
To everyone. But anyways, I'm going to try not to say that word. So the next step is, we're going to heat this up.
All right. Heat it up.
I have another little bottle of these that I bought, but this is enough for now. Actually, let me get the other one. Right, Michael Lolo?
Oh, yeah.
That's how I call my son Michael.
That's right.
When I'm happy, I say Michael Lolo.
That's right.
Okay, so this is my other thing. Well, and this, let me tell you guys, it was only $3.
That's it.
$2.74 for 17 ounces of extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna do that. And now with my spatula, I'm gonna use my spatula.
That's right.
And when this is hot, we can actually put it in now. I'm gonna put them in like that. And I'm not gonna fry them on high, guys.
No, you don't want to do that.
Put 3 of them. Okay, I'm just gonna wait until it gets really, really hot. But after it gets really, really hot, I am going to lower it to, oh, you see? Oh, Mike, sorry.
Oh,
Did
it's
you
okay.
get burned?
Nope, I'm good.
Oh, see, I'm going to lower it
Woo.
to like a 6. Oh, I think I burned Michael. Did I burn you, bud?
No, I'm good, Mom.
So I just put it low. Yeah, it's gonna jump, whatever. That's what it does, Michael. You see how it is? But we'll be fine. Okay, so we're gonna be right back, guys. Like, it's gonna take like 5 to 7 minutes. And we'll be making a video while I turned him around. I gotta laugh. I'm sorry, but I think Michael got a little bit burned there. You got a little bit burned there?
No, I'm good.
A little bit of oil jump on him. You see, I'm used to it because I cook all the time. But he was like, oh, and I'm like, I burned my son. Okay, so we'll be right back. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Another getting, they're starting to blow off from the inside. That's just a little bit of the liquid coming out because of the heat. That's what we want. You see how low I have him? We still gotta cook another 5 minutes, and we'll be right back. So anyways, hi guys, thanks for coming back, and these are my breakfast sausages. They're pork, like I said before, and I'm gonna put them over there. I'm gonna cut one so all you guys can see what they look like. And they look like they're burned, but they're not. That's just from there, see? The olive oil, I had them on low because I never cut them inside so they can cook all the way through. My husband took one already, he's eating his. He said he wasn't waiting for us. So anyway, so these are the sausages. I'm gonna give Michael one of those and one for me. I saw my husband cut his, so I know they're fully cooked inside. So I'm gonna do this with you guys. Here we go. Wow. They taste so good, that's why I get them. And it's all protein, you know? Wanna lose weight, eat meat. You jealous, Mike?
No.
Michael,
I'm
jealous?
hungry, though.
So anyway, these are like your sausage is supposed to look like. You want to make sure you cook them all the way through because we're talking about pork here. So you don't want to get sick or anything like that, you know? So with that, guys, I'm going to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Google+, on...
Patreon.
Okay.
On Tumblr.
You can, if you want to donate $1 or so, just click down below. And donate from $1 to $5, $10, hey, whatever you want. You can donate all your savings if you want. So with that, guys, I'll let you guys go. Don't forget to follow us. Love you all. Don't drink and drive. Thanks for watching. And I'm probably going to be seeing you later for another episode of Cindy's Kitchen.